Hey, what's up, guys? Wanted to make a video today sharing with you a niche that I saw trending, and this could be a good opportunity for us merch sellers because this niche or this sub niche is in the women's reproductive rights, and as we know, that's been a jamming niche all summer. It's going to continue to be very popular, and I think this niche will actually could even turn into an evergreen niche, after time. But the phrase or the sub niche is abortion anytime, any reason. And here you can see one of the designs. You can see that there's only 69 results, so very little competition. You can see this one was uploaded on July 18th, so I think that was just like 2 days ago, so a couple days ago, and it already has 160 BSR at almost a $17 price range, so that's pretty good. You're going to notice that a lot of the other ones don't even have a BSR yet, but don't be fooled by that. I remember when I was doing some research, maybe like a week ago, there was the trending niche, "We Are Not Tacos," and I saw there were so many designs, but none of them had BSRs, and I was like, oh, this design, no one's buying this niche. And then I went and I checked back like 3 days later, and damn near all of them had BSR. So some of the times what could be happening is that these have sold, but their just BSR has not been updated yet. I know that's been the case for me. I've gotten a sale, and I go check the BSR on my design, and it still says rank not found. It just hasn't been updated yet. So these designs might have had sales. So don't sleep on this on these designs not having a BSR rank. In my opinion, this could be a really good niche because of the niche that it's in. The sub niche is very popular right now. So this is it right here, abortion anytime. If we do a quick check on test to see if it's good to go, you can see here I typed in abortion anytime, any reason, and I'm just going to hit enter. You're going to see that nothing pops up, so it's clean, it's good to go. And then when we look at the competition on Etsy, you're going to see there's only 118 results, but I'm only seeing I'm seeing only like a few with actually this phrase. All the other ones are just other type of, pro-choice designs. When we look at Redbubble, we're going to see also very little competition, 38. So this could be a good opportunity on Redbubble. Put it up on all the different type of products that they have. For me, the best-selling type of products on Redbubble are stickers. So a lot of times when I upload onto Redbubble, I don't even use the shirt as the thumbnail. I use the sticker, like right here. Do something like this. And then when we look at TeePublic, I don't think there's anything yet. When I type in abortion anytime, any reason, they're all just different random niches. So maybe nobody's even uploaded onto here. For me, the best websites for me have always been Etsy, merch, TeePublic, and then Redbubble. So TeePublic is a really good one as well. So get your designs up there and start uploading in this niche. Now try and be creative with the design. You don't want to do like an exact copy of this. Try and add in some clip art. You can use like the mom messy bun. You can use the strong women. You can use retro. You can use any type of clip art, like maybe like a uterus or a women's rights sign. Or maybe take a look at some other pro-choice designs to get some ideas from there, some clip art that you can use. And one other thing is that I actually just got approved by Vexels to be an affiliate with them. So I'm going to put my affiliate link for Vexels. Vexels is actually a really good place to get clip art or graphics to use for your t-shirt. So I just typed in uterus, and here you're going to see some of the clip art or graphics that you can use. You can use these for all the print-on-demand sites. I've actually used this one right here. So you can do something like that with the phrase that I was just showing you. But if you want to sign up for Vexels, there'll be an affiliate link in the description that will help support me and the channel. And that is basically it. So I'm going to end this video here. If you like this kind of content, consider subscribing, click the little bell, and I'll catch you on the next one. All right, talk to you guys later. Bye-bye.